Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a new React project with Vite and add Tailwind CSS to it. I opened the Tailwind CSS docs and selected the latest version, and I'm going to follow all the steps that they provided. And the first step is to run command npm create Vite at latest. I launched my Visual Studio Code, have folder where I store my React projects, and I'm going to run new terminal and provide command npm create Vite at latest. And now I need to provide my project name, and it will be weather up tailwind, and select React and then JavaScript. Now I can navigate to my project folder with cd command, and as you can see, the command provided here. And the next step, I need to install dependencies with command npm install, and that command will install dependencies that we have in Vite, and we need to install additional dependencies for Tailwind CSS, and I'm going to copy this command and provide it in my terminal. And the next step, we need to init our Tailwind CSS, and I'm going to init it with that command. And as you can see, config files were created, and the next step is to configure your template path, and I need to change contact property in Tailwind config.js, and I'm going to open that file and change content property. Okay, and the next step is to add the Tailwind directives to your CSS, and we need to add them site source files in index.css. And I'm going to open source files and index.css and add this directive at the top. And let's check what we have next. And now we can run dev server with command npm run dev. Okay, and I'm going to launch the project and have some styles. Okay, and let's check what next. And the next we can provide some JSX to our app.jsx file. And let me hide this terminal. And I'm going to pass this code in my app.jsx, and also I can remove all imports and states. And let's check what we have. Okay, we have our files, and let me clean up this Vite styles for links and for buttons and h1 tag. And also I'm going to change place items to justify content, and also remove styles for buttons and a tag for links. And also I'm going to remove all the styles from app.css and accept the root element. And let's check what I have so far. Okay, we have our hello world at the top, and I'm going to open developer tools and check what classes we have. And we have font bold, underline, and you can check what CSS styles we have inside them. And I'm going to return to app.css and remove some font bold. And as you can see, we don't have bold, and I can remove underline, and we don't have an underline, and also I can increase font size to 5, and we have bigger text, and as you can see, we have 3 rem. And that's all that I have for today. If you like the video, subscribe to my DevApp channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.